Good morning, everyone. Am I audible and visible to all of you? Good morning, people. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Anju. Good morning. कैसे हैं आप सब? How are you all? Good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Good morning, good morning. How are you all? कैसे हैं आप लोग, आप सब? How are you all? Awesome. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Radhika. Good morning, Usha. Good morning, Neelam. Good morning, Umesh. Good morning, everyone. So we'll start our today's session within 1 and 2 minutes. Till then everybody can get the notification that we are live, and after that we will start with our session, okay? After that we will start with our session for the day, okay? Awesome. I'm good. How are you all? I'm absolutely fine. Doing absolutely good. Thank you for asking. So yesterday you got to learn something? कल आप लोगों ने कुछ सीखा नया? You got to learn something new yesterday, everyone? Good morning, Anshika. Good morning. I'm asking कि कल जो आपकी क्लास हुई थी, you got to learn something from that? I'm good, everyone. I'm good. Thanks for asking. And everybody, have you said thanks to your teachers as well as the management of Rahul School? Have you given thanks to them? Have you given thanks to your teachers for organizing this amazing summer camp? Because it's very important to say thanks, and I'm also very grateful for Raval Digital Munch to organize such an incredible summer camp for all of you, wherein you are getting so many knowledge, like you are getting knowledge of math, coding, painting, dancing, and even personality development and communication. So it's very amazing that you are a part of such a type of school that is actually thinking about you, okay? So it's very amazing that you all are a part of such a kind of school and management. That is so good. That is actually very, very good, okay? So yesterday you were given a task to send me your videos. So I received a couple of them, and how many of you have forwarded and how many of you have not forwarded? Please let me know about it. आप में से कितने लोगों ने वो भेजी थी और कितने लोगों ने नहीं भेजी थी? Please let me know about it. Okay. आप में से कितने लोगों ने भेजी थी वीडियोस और कितने लोगों ने नहीं भेजी थी? I want to know about that. Good morning, Karthik. कितने लोगों ने भेजी थी और कितने लोगों ने नहीं भेजी थी? That's what I'm asking. Because the videos that I received, I need to correct you. Because I got a couple of videos जहाँ पे आप लोगों का कैमरा एक तो बहुत नीचे था. I received a video of a girl, so her camera was on the floor and she was actually preparing a video like this. ये वाली चीज़ मैंने आपको कल ही बताई थी कि ऐसी आपको वीडियो नहीं बनानी है. आपका कैमरा आपके आई लेवल पे होना चाहिए. या तो आप कहीं सामने कुछ रख के किसी चीज़ पे रख के वीडियो बनाएं, और you can tell your parents as well so they can hold the camera. Okay, so it's very, very important that you are keeping that in mind. And there was a lack of energy in everyone. So you have to make it a point that your energy level needs to be very, very high, and you have to make it a point that yes, your energy is actually impacting all the people those who will be watching your video. Otherwise, and you need to have a smile as well. Okay? अगर आप कैमरे पे देख रहे हो तो कुछ पढ़ के मत पढ़ो. मैंने एक दो बच्चों की वीडियो देखी थी, तो वो लोग पढ़ के बोल रहे थे. Somebody was standing at their left and the camera was in front. So what they were doing is they were reading and they were saying, no, that's not the right way to do about the video. You have to memorize it. You have to keep the things in your mind. You have to keep the things in your mind, and you should not say by reading somewhere. Okay? It actually pretends that you are actually not good enough. Okay? So you should not do it in that way. You should memorize what your points are. You should practice a couple of times, and then you can give it your फाइनल शॉट. ओके, ऐसा नहीं कि आपने एक बारी वीडियो बनाई तो आपने वही वाली भेज दी. नो, यू डोंट हैव टू क्विट मेकिंग द वीडियोस टिल द पॉइंट यू अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ, आपकी वीडियो आपकी तरफ से बहुत अच्छी है. ओके, मेक सेंस एवरीवन? फर्स्ट थिंग इज आपको कैमरा बिल्कुल नीचे नहीं रखना है, जमीन पे रख के वीडियो नहीं बनानी है. ठीक है, आपको सामने रखना है कैमरा, वैसी वीडियो बनानी है. एनर्जी लेवल नीड्स टू बी वेरी हाई, योर स्माइल नीड्स टू बी देयर. ओके, एंड देन यू हैव टू मेक योर वीडियोज एंड यू हैव टू मेमोराइज. यू विल नॉट सी एंड यू विल नॉट स्पीक. यू हैव टू मेमोराइज इट इन योर माइंड. ओके, एनी डाउट्स स्टिल हियर? एनी डाउट्स? I suppose no doubts would be here. And if you have missed yesterday's session, so you can go back to yesterday's live. It's actually saved in Browell Digital Month Facebook page only, so you can go and you can visit and you can get to know कल क्या पढ़ाया था. ठीक है? We talked about communication and how to prepare virtual content. Right, everyone? Okay. So today we will be talking about self-love and self-esteem. Today we will be talking about self-love and self-esteem. What is your understanding, everyone, of self-love and self-esteem? Anybody? आपको क्या लगता है that what is self-love and what is self-esteem? Anybody wants to say कि हाँ, this is self-love or this is self-esteem? So kindly help me in knowing that what is your understanding of self-love and self-esteem. Okay? Please help me knowing in the comment section. फटाफट. Don't waste so much of time. फटाफट बताओ कि what is your understanding of self-love and self-esteem. Okay? What is your understanding of self-love and self-esteem? Please send it. Loving with yourself. Okay? It's not loving with yourself, it's loving yourself. Okay, loving ourselves. Okay. Okay, what else? Loving, okay. What else? Loving ourselves. Okay, what else? Self-love means importance of our self-respect. Okay, what else? What else do you understand by self-love? Loving ourselves. Okay. Sorry ma'am, I don't know. Okay. Okay. Alright. So everybody, why do you think there are some people who achieve so much of success and why there are some people who do not achieve success? Anybody? This is very important and most of us don't understand its importance. What is it that why some people have achieved a lot of success in their life and why a lot of people don't achieve success in their life? What is the underlying fact? What do you think is the reason behind people not achieving success and some people achieving great success in their life? Anybody appreciate it? Self-love का meaning चला गया. Now tell me the answer that why only a couple of people, because they believe. Okay, because they believe their self. Okay, what else? What else, everyone? What else? Loving. Okay, what else is the reason? कुछ लोग इतनी सक्सेस पा लेते हैं और कुछ लोग नहीं पा पाते, बिकॉज ऑफ हार्ड वर्क. ओके, व्हाट एल्स? बिकॉज ऑफ द हार्ड वर्किंग. ओके, हार्ड वर्किंग इज नॉट अ वर्ड, इट्स ओनली हार्ड वर्क. Okay, they feel positive, not feels positive. Okay, they feel positive, they do not feel positive. Okay, confidence on themselves. Okay, confidence in themselves. Okay, they believe yourself, they believe in themselves. There is no word feels over here, they feel positive. Okay, because of hard work. I am correcting you whatever you are typing, so that you can correct your grammar as well. Okay, because of confidence, they have self-confidence. All right, all of you are halfway there, because they have good mindset and belief in themselves. Okay, they are so positive. All right, everything is very much accurate, but you have to understand one thing, people. You have to understand one thing, that it's very easy to start. For example, आपकी क्लास में कुछ बच्चे होंगे that they are doing very good, and some people are not doing that good. Some people are not doing that good. So what is the difference between two kinds of people? The only difference is lack of self-love and a lot of self-love. Okay? If you cannot love yourself, then you will not be able to achieve any kind of success in your life. And what is the real understanding of self-love? Self-love means loving yourself like anything. We see in movies, right? People love other person. They say that I can do anything for you, but can you do anything for you? Can you do anything for you? No, right? An absolute answer would be no. क्योंकि अगर हमारे सामने कोई चीज आती है, सपोज आज हमें एक चैप्टर कंप्लीट करना है, ठीक है, तो हम अपने आप को ये वाली चीज बोलते हैं कि I will not do this today, I will do this tomorrow. So this is lack of self-love. This is lack of self-love, that you are not actually raising your standards. That आप अपने लिए चीजें टालते रहते हो. वही आपके किसी दोस्त ने बोला हो आपको, कि यार मेरा ना एक छोटा सा होमवर्क रह गया है, प्लीज मेरी हेल्प कर दे इसको कंप्लीट करने के लिए. Or somebody else has told you to give them a favor, or somebody else has told you to do something for them, but you will do that and you will not do the chapter that is meant to be learned or meant to be revised. So this is only that we give importance to others and not importance to ourselves. It's only because of that people achieve a lot of success, those who give importance to them. People give importance to them, and some people don't give importance to, and some people give importance to them, those who achieve success, and those who don't achieve success give importance to others and only others. Right? Always remember, your life is all about yourself, people. Your life is all about yourself. When you get less marks in your exam, so that friend of yours tells you that please मेरे से 2 marks ले ले, अपने marks बढ़वा ले. Does that friend ever tell this to you? No, right? They don't tell you all these kind of things. Okay, they don't tell all these kind of things, right? Because everybody's journey is different. Okay, so you have to understand self-love is okay, loving your body and all such kind of thing, but the real meaning is expecting from yourself. When we love somebody else, we expect from them कि वो हमारे लिए ये करे, वो हमारे लिए वो करे, मम्मा हमारे लिए ये करे, पापा हमारे लिए ये करे, हमारा दोस्त हमारे लिए ये करे, हमारे लिए वो लोग ये करे, ये करे, वो करे, ये करे. बट आप खुद से कितना एक्सपेक्ट करते हो? हाउ मच यू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम योरसेल्फ? आपके लिए आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन बिल्कुल जीरो है. आप लोगों से एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि हम उनके घर जाएंगे, वो हमारे लिए ये करेंगे. क्यों करेंगे? Why are you expecting so many things from others? Always remember, you have to expect a lot of things from your own self. Okay? Because it's your life. At the end of the day, it's very important. You are expecting a lot from yourself. Every day you give yourself some targets to achieve. Okay? And I'm not telling that you should not help others, but you should help others before helping. After you are helping yourself, God. And it is actually said that when you sit in an airplane, कभी कोई फ्लाइट में बैठा है, अगर कोई नहीं बैठा तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ उसमें क्या होता है। जब हम फ्लाइट में बैठते हैं तो वहाँ पे जो एयर होस्टेस होती है, फ्लाइट के चलने से पहले शी टेल्स अस कि अगर फ्लाइट में ऑक्सीजन का लेवल कम हो जाता है तो ऑक्सीजन मास्क ड्रॉप आउट हो जाएंगे। पहले आप खुद का मास्क पहनिए, फिर किसी और की मदद कीजिए, So it's very important. First you are helping yourself and then you are helping others. Okay? अगर आपको कोई टारगेट है, अगर आपको आज एक चैप्टर कंप्लीट करना है, अगर आपको कोई टास्क कंप्लीट करना है, you are supposed to do something. First of all, you are required to do that. And if something is coming in your way to studies or in your way to success, if you want to do anything, so you should stop all these distractions. Okay? Creating boundaries is very important. For example, there is a friend of yours जो आपको कभी concentrate नहीं करने देता है, who doesn't allow you to concentrate. Okay? So it's very important that you get to know कि हाँ ये एक इंसान है that is not allowing me to grow, और ये एक relative है या ये एक person है मेरी life में that is not allowing me to grow. So it's very important you minimize your contact with them. Because once you minimize your contact with them, it becomes really easy to get all the attention to yourself. Okay? समझ आया आप सबको? Self love, okay, it's all about loving yourself. But how you show your body that you love yourself? How you show yourself you love yourself? By expecting from yourself. Do you all expect from yourself that today I will do this? इसके बिना तो मैं सोऊंगा ही नहीं. लेकिन क्या होता है, हम वो किए बिना ही सो जाते हैं. So it's very, very, very important, everyone, that you are expecting from yourself. Okay, everyone? Make sense, everyone? समझ आया सब लोगों को? Self-love is all about loving yourself. Yes, you have to love yourself. So you have to expect from yourself. You have to don't be harsh on yourself. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है हमारे मार्क्स कम आते हैं, हम लोग अपने आप से इतनी नेगेटिव चार्टरिंग करने लग जाते हैं माइंड के अंदर, हमारी सेल्फ टॉक बहुत ज़्यादा गंदी हो जाती है. We don't talk positive with ourselves. So that is also very wrong. That is also not a very good sign of self-love. If you have self-love, you will not talk negative about others. Always remember, when we talk to others, for example with our relatives, with our friends and all such kind of things, so हम बहुत सोच समझ के बात करते हैं कि सामने वाले को कैसा लगेगा. We do that, right? कि सामने वाले को कैसा लगेगा अगर मैंने ये चीज़ बोल दी. लेकिन जब आप वही चीज़ अपने माइंड में बात करते हो तो आप कभी देखते हो कि आप क्या बात कर रहे हो. आपकी वो बात चलती ही रहती है. कितनी नेगेटिव होती है बात, वो कितनी ज़्यादा कि तुझसे तो हो ही नहीं सकता. You will not be able to do this. You cannot do this. This is not for you. You are of no use. All these things goes on in your mind by just seeing only one failure. कि मार्क्स कम आ गए, मैम ने डांट दिया. Everything starts going negative in your mind. Parents ने डांट दिया, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है. But always remember everybody of you. It's very important that you are giving yourself very much of importance. Exactly. We mentally fight with ourselves. And that is not self-love. Your self-talk needs to be very positive. You have to make yourself understand that you are really powerful. अगर आज आपसे कुछ गलती हुई है, आज आप कुछ कर पाए हो, आपसे कुछ भी गलत हो गया है, you have this power to actually rewind it and to recover it and to improve yourself. You have this power in you, everyone. So tell this to yourself, I will learn from this event and I will try to improve myself. Why do you want so much of negativity to go inside your mind, everyone? Don't let negativity to stay in your mind. Your self-talk needs to be very, very important. अगर आप खुद से अच्छे से बात नहीं कर रहे हैं तो आप सामने वाले से भी अच्छे से बात नहीं करते. Yes? कभी कभी ऐसा होता है हमारा मूड अच्छा नहीं होता तो हम सामने वाले से भी अच्छे से बात नहीं करते. हमें किसी ने डांट दिया होता तो हम सामने वाले से अच्छे से बात नहीं करते. We don't talk in a very good mood with others. So we have to understand this thing, people, कि हम जैसे खुद से बात करते हैं वैसे ही हम लोगों से बात करते हैं. So first of all, we have to improve our relationship with ourselves. First of all, we have to improve our relationship with ourselves. And how can we do that? How can we do that? First of all, you have to improve your self-talk. Second is, आपको खुद पे attention देनी कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. Nowadays, what happens is we are majorly focusing upon कि सामने वाले की क्या गलती है, where is other person going wrong and all such kind of things, isn't it? हम लोगों को ऐसे पॉइंट करते हैं, तुमने ये किया, तुमने ये किया, तुमने ये किया. लेकिन जब हम ऐसे करते हैं, 4 fingers are being pointed to us. 4 fingers are being pointed to us, right? So we have to understand, before pointing out a single finger on somebody, it's very important that you point out those 4 fingers on yourself and ask yourself, what am I doing with my life? Where am I going wrong? Okay, everyone, it's very, very, very important. Okay, everyone. And if somebody tells you something which is not up to, like which जो आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, so it depends upon you how you take that thing in your mind. Okay, कभी कभी कोई हमें डांट देता है, हमें उसकी बात का बुरा नहीं लगता. कभी कभी हमें कोई डांट देता है, हमें उसकी बात का बहुत बुरा लगता है. So it's all in your mind that how you take the thing. So you have to maintain a very good relationship with yourself. Even if whatever situations are happening, you will not be affected by the impact of other things. You will always remain in your positivity. That is very, very important. Okay, everyone, समझ आया आप लोगों को? Okay, everyone, this is basic concept of self-love. So you will all practice self-love from now. आपको रियल मीनिंग समझ आया सेल्फ लव का? यू गॉट टू नो अबाउट सेल्फ लव इन रियल मीनिंग. बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारी चीज़ें बताते हैं, बट ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा एक ईजी तरीका है सेल्फ लव प्रैक्टिस करने का. आप कभी अपने आप को मिरर में देखते हो, सो डू यू से दैट आई एम लुकिंग सो ब्यूटिफुल, आई एम लुकिंग सो पॉजिटिव एवरी डे, एवरी सिंगल डे? डू यू से दैट? But what happens is, for example, you get ready and you go to a party, or you go to for example a function or whatsoever. We expect that other people should tell us that you are looking so good, isn't it? We expect from others that they will tell us कि आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो, you are looking so good, your dress is so nice, everything is good. But why are you expecting so many things from others? Why not to expect from yourself and tell to yourself you are looking so beautiful today? Okay, this is known as self-love. This is known as self-love कि आपको खुद को compliment करना है. Because when you compliment yourself, you actually feel good and you are not dependent on anybody else to say anything positive to you और वो compliment करे आपको. तो आपको खुद अपने आप को compliment करना है. समझ आया everyone? Don't actually rely on anybody. Don't rely on anybody. Rely on yourself. Okay? It's very, very, very important. Alright, everyone. समझ आया आप लोगों को? Got it? Awesome. Okay. Good. Okay, everyone. So let's proceed further and understand that what is self-esteem. Self-love समझ लिया हम लोगों ने. Now let's understand that what is. हमने self-love में पहले बताओ हमने क्या सीखा? Self-love हमने सीखा कि it's all about loving yourself. How you actually tell yourself that you love yourself by expecting things from you, by expecting things from ourselves, by asking yourself, by telling yourself that yes, you can do it. It's very important. You give compliment to yourself. You give compliments to yourself, right? You actually improvise your self-talk. You read positive things. You speak only positive things, and you hear only positive things. Okay? And it's very, very important in order to inculcate self-love. It's very important that you involve yourself in meditation every day. It's very important that you involve yourself in meditation every day. Take out 10 minutes every day and write down and just do meditation for 10 minutes. Okay? Every question will be taken at the end. Please be till the end, everyone, because I will be telling you the secret box for the day. Secret box of the day will also be told to you. And one more thing, all the questions will also be taken. Okay, everyone. Okay. The next thing is, and if somebody tells you something negative, just tell to yourself if you have done something wrong. It's very important you say sorry there and then. You say sorry there and then you just say to yourself, this is just a lesson. I will just learn from this and I will move forward. Okay, I will move forward. Okay, right, awesome. So the next thing that we have to focus upon today is that your self-esteem. What is self-esteem, everyone? What do you think? What is self-esteem? What is your understanding of self-esteem, everyone? What is your understanding of self-esteem? आप क्या समझते हो सेल्फ एस्टीम से? क्या समझ आता है आपको सेल्फ एस्टीम का जब नाम आता है आपके आगे? व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द वर्ड सेल्फ एस्टीम? एवरीवन, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द वर्ड सेल्फ एस्टीम? ओके, believe in ourselves. Okay, what else do you understand? What is the meaning of self-esteem? Self-respect. Okay, what else do you understand by the word self-esteem? No, it doesn't mean that you are angry. Self-respect, thinking about yourself. Okay, what else is self-esteem, everyone? Believe in ourselves. Okay, what else? What else? What else is self-esteem? Self-confidence. Okay, what else? Is my voice clear, everyone? Please give me a yes. फटाफट बताओ, मेरी voice clear आ रही है आप लोगों को? You're able to hear me? You're able to hear me, everyone? Self-care. Okay, believe in ourselves. Okay, all right. Okay, so everybody, those who are facing some glitch in hearing my voice, there might be a network issue with you. Please kindly check your network. Okay, awesome. So let's understand that what is self-esteem. Self-esteem का मतलब होता है the way you look at yourself. What kind of image do you have of yourself in front of you? That is very, very important. Some people actually have a very high self-esteem. They see themselves as very positive, as a person who has a lot of potential, as somebody who can do anything and everything they want. Okay? But there are some people who have very low self-esteem. And they think like they cannot do anything. They will not be able to do anything. अगर कोई टेस्ट आ जाए, I will not be able to do this. मतलब उनका हर चीज का आंसर I will not be able to do this होता है. लेकिन there are some people who have very high self-esteem. Whenever any challenge comes in their life, their only reaction to that is I can do this. Self-esteem का मतलब होता है the way you see yourself. What kind of image do you have about yourself? Do you see yourself as a kind of a person who has a lot of potential? Or do you see yourself as a kind of a person who cannot do anything? Okay, so this is meaning of self-esteem. You have to be very, very, very crucial in understanding what do you think about yourself. क्या सोचते हैं अपने बारे में आप? What do you think about yourself, everyone? And how do you get to know कि आप अपने बारे में क्या सोचते हो? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एकदम से मैम ने सरप्राइज टेस्ट दे दिया, एकदम से कुछ भी हो जाए आपकी लाइफ में, कोई एक सिचुएशन आ जाए, कोई नेगेटिव सिचुएशन आ जाए, कोई चैलेंज आ जाए, द फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्स यू हैव व्हेन अ सिचुएशन कम्स इन योर लाइफ एक्चुअली डिटरमाइंस व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सेल्फ एस्टीम डू यू हैव. कुछ बच्चे होते हैं जो सरप्राइज टेस्ट आते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं दैट येस आई विल बी एबल टू डू इट, मज़ा आएगा, आई विल बी एबल टू डू दिस, आई विल सिक्योर गुड मार्क्स, थैंक यू मैम एंड ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. और वहीं पे कुछ बच्चे होते हैं जो बहुत डर जाते हैं, अरे यार मेरे को तो कुछ नहीं आता, मेरे को दिखा दियो, एंड ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. Isn't it? It actually shows what kind of self-esteem, what level of self-esteem do you have in your mind, in your life. It's very important, everyone, that you have very good self-esteem of yours. Very good self-esteem of yours. And that is actually the reason why some people are very successful. Some students actually secure very good marks, and some people don't get very good marks and they are not that successful in their life. They're not that successful in their life just because they don't actually understand. They don't understand how important self-esteem is. How important self-esteem is. Alright everyone, समझ आया? It feels like an adventure, right? So that's why you have to understand. You have to understand कि हाँ मुझे अपने आप को बहुत इम्प्रूव करना है. अगर आपका अभी एटीट्यूड चेंज नहीं हुआ तो आगे जाके लाइफ में कोई सिचुएशन आएगी सेम आपका यही एटीट्यूड रहेगा एंड यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू सेल थ्रू दैट. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव योर सेल्फ. यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव योर सेल्फ एस्टीम एवरीवन. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर AEIOU के आगे क्या लगता है? वॉवल्स के आगे ए लगता है एन लगता है. वॉवल्स के आगे ए लगता है एन लगता है. एवरीवन, AEIOU आर वॉवल्स राइट. तो इनके आगे ए लगता है या एन लगता है? जो वर्ड AEIOU से स्टार्ट होते हैं तो उनके आगे ए लगता है या एन लगता है? नो, ए नहीं लगता, उनके आगे एन लगता है. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एन एप्पल, एन एंट, एन एलिफेंट. ओके. तो ये जो भी बच्चे हैं जो ये वाले मिस्टेक कर रहे हैं, प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ इट. ओके एवरीवन, whenever you are using any word starting with vowels, that is AEIOU, you have to make sure it is starting with a word that is AN, and not A. Okay everyone, it has to be started with an. Good, 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 very good, very good. For example, मैं बताती हूँ. 3 years back when I was doing my studies, so and when I got into my college, so I understood ki, and before I started meeting people, started getting to build friends over there, I used to feel like ki when I started meeting people, I got to understand that yes, everybody is so capable, everybody is doing such incredible things in their life. But eventually I got to understand that yes, I also need to upgrade myself. I also had two options. I also had two options. First, कि मैं अपने आप को बोलूँ कि पूजा आप तो बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते, इन लोगों के लेवल पे पहुँचना, इस तरह की पर्सनालिटी बनाना is something that is not at all positive, not at all possible. The second option that I had was to say to myself, if they can do it, I can also do it. If they can do it, I can also do it. And always remember, nothing is impossible, everyone. Nothing is impossible. Even impossible says, I am possible. Many people tell you that it's very impossible to buy a Lamborghini. Many people will tell you कि अरे Lamborghini उसके लिए 8 करोड़ रुपए चाहिए, तुम कैसे लेके आओगे, कैसे कमाओगे, and all such kind of stuff. But you have to remember one thing, people. You have to remember one thing, people, कि there are millions and millions of people, those who have actually bought Lamborghini. Those who have actually bought Lamborghini. So is it impossible to buy it? Is it impossible to say that it cannot be achieved? Absolutely not. It can be achieved, but yes, it requires a lot of self-discipline, a lot of hard work to buy that, to achieve that kind of car in your life or any luxury you want to do it. Okay, everyone? So it is very important. It is very important that आप लोग अपने आप को ये सब चीज़ें बोलना बंद करो कि I will not be able to do it, this is impossible, and all this kind of thing. Similarly, it happened with me. I had two options, right? So I opted for the second option. That was to say to myself that Pooja, if they can do it, I can also do it. If they can do it, I can also do it. So ultimately what happened was I started improving myself. I started going to different institutes to improve myself. I started reading books. I started practicing. I started doing a lot of things. and it's all because of that you are seeing me as your teacher today. You are seeing me as your teacher today. So it's very very crucial everyone that आप लोग अपने साथ भी यही वाला system apply करें. See yourself as a person who can do anything, who has a lot of potential. That is first step to improve your self-esteem. Okay, and you are actually expecting a lot of things from you. For example, if I talk about myself, मुझे technically कुछ भी नहीं आता था. Technically as in कि Google पे कैसे काम करते हैं, कंप्यूटर पे कैसे काम करते हैं, लैपटॉप पे कैसे काम करते हैं, मुझे सिर्फ बोलना आता था, right? But I understood that yes, that is also very very important. In spite of telling people कि मेरे लिए आप ये काम कर दो, I started telling to myself that Pooja, you need to learn it. You need to learn it, and I started expecting that yes, Pooja, you can also learn it. Eventually, what happened was I started learning it, and today I can say that I am 50% there to know how to use technology. And there is a lot of things to learn, abhi bhi, but still I am learning it. So it all depends upon you that how you see yourself, what you say to yourself. Because what you say to your mind actually determines a lot of things that goes in your mind. Okay, that goes in your mind. Okay everyone, समझ आया आप लोगों को? समझ आया? Okay, good. Okay, awesome. Awesome. Okay, so let's understand one more thing everybody. Now how we can practice self-love and self-esteem. That is also very very important. हमने समझ लिया कि self-love क्या होता है, हमने समझ लिया कि self-esteem क्या होता है. And let me tell you why they are important for your personality. Personality is a sum total of attributes that you have. We discussed it on the first day. तो अब हमारी personality में अगर हम लोग अपने आप से expect नहीं कर रहे हैं, so how will we be able to achieve success? How will we be able to have confidence in ourselves? So it's very important you are having self-love and self-esteem. How to develop self-care, how to develop self-esteem, that is something that I will be telling you right now. So how do you inculcate self-love in you once you start expecting from yourself? Okay, that is what I told you. How can you start expecting from yourself? You need to prepare your to-do list every day. Anybody knows what is a to-do list? Anybody knows what is a to-do list? किसी को पता है to-do list क्या होता है? Anybody knows what is a to-do list? What is a to-do list? बताओ क्या होता है to-do list? अगर आप yes बोल रहे हो तो बताओ क्या होता है? What is a to-do list, everyone? What is a to-do list? Okay, you know it. If you are saying yes, तो बताओ होता क्या है? Let me know. Okay, day-to-day task. Okay, what else? और क्या होता है? Okay. Okay. Let me tell you, to-do list is a list that you prepare at the beginning of your day or before going to bed. Or before going to bed at night for the next day, so that where you can write what you have to do in a day. For example, you have to read a book. For example, you have to do meditation. For example, this is the time I will wake up. For example, there is a class that you have to do. For example, there is something that needs to be done. All will be written in your to-do list. Whatever task you need to do in that particular day. And what happens is, why do you think some people कुछ कभी दिन ऐसे होते हैं ना कि आपको समझ नहीं आता इसके बाद क्या करें, इसके बाद क्या करें, इसके बाद क्या करें, इसके बाद क्या करें. तो वो इसीलिए होता है हमारे पास माइंड में डायरेक्शन नहीं होती है कि आज हमें करना क्या क्या है, आज हमें करना क्या क्या है. Similarly, it's very 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 important. It's very very important that you're preparing a to-do list because it gives a direction to your mind कि आज हमें ये चीजें करनी है, आज हमें ये चीजें करनी है. So similarly, every day in the morning first thing or before going to the bed at night one day earlier, you have to prepare your to-do list. You have to prepare your to-do list so that you can sail out your day and your mind knows what all things are needs to be done. When you prepare your to-do list and when you exactly, it's all about mind mapping. When you prepare your to-do list and when you do all the tasks, and by the end of the day when you sit with yourself with your to-do list and when you just tick mark कि आज अच्छा मैंने ये 5 चीज़ें लिखी थी, 5 चीज़ें मैंने कर ली, this will give you a lot of self-confidence. This will give you a lot of, I would say, zeal and energy. Okay, so this makes you feel very positive. This makes you feel very, very, very good. This makes you feel very, very, very good, and it's only because of this to-do list and done list. We can only consider the to-do list abhi. To-do list की वजह से people get a lot of self-confidence in them. They improve their self-esteem क्योंकि वो अपने आप को देखते हैं कि अच्छा I am able to do such kind of things. They see themselves as a person who can do all the things they are giving themselves as a target. So why not more things? अगले दिन आप एक हफ्ते बाद अपने आप को सोचोगे कि मैं 5 चीज़ें कर सकता हूँ, मैं 6 चीज़ें भी कर सकता हूँ. I also prepare my to-do list every day. That's why I have this direction every day in my mind कि okay, I was supposed to do this. मुझे आज इतने Instagram पे पोस्ट करने थे, मुझे इतने LinkedIn पे पोस्ट करने थे, मुझे Facebook पोस्ट करने थे, मुझे अपने क्लाइंट से बात करनी थी, मुझे अपने स्टूडेंट से बात करनी थी, मुझे आज इतने सेशंस लेने थे. I was supposed to read a book. I was supposed to do meditation. I was supposed to talk to all these clients. Right? So this is something that needs to be done by you every day. And every day when I go back to sleep, I just take out my to-do list diary and I just tick mark what all things have been done. What all things have been done, and it gives me really good it gives me a lot of confidence. That's what, and positivity also. So you have to prepare a to-do list every day. Okay, everyone? Okay, everyone, you have to prepare a to-do list. The next thing you have to do is you have to stop using social media. What happens is nowadays students also, they are engaging themselves in seeing a lot of reels on Instagram या Facebook पे भी reels आते हैं. They are engaging themselves in seeing a lot of content on social media. What happens is when you consume a lot of content on social media, it creates a lot of anxiety in your mind. It creates a lot of thoughts in your mind. Okay, it creates a lot of thoughts in your mind. So it's very important that you stay away from social media. आपकी क्लास के बाद, सब चीज़ों के बाद, you are staying away from social media. And parents also, please take care of your children that they don't spend so much of time on Instagram or on Facebook or WhatsApp kind of things. Okay, because it is actually hampering their mental health. And you can also see the irritation level of students have also really hiked up because of social media. Okay. And all of you, if you feel like कि आपके पास फ़ोन नहीं है, आपके दोस्त के पास फ़ोन है, तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है आपके पास फ़ोन नहीं है अभी. It's very good that you don't have phone, because people, those who have phone, are actually finding out ways ताकि उनसे फ़ोन दूर रहे. So it's very good if your parents are not giving you phone. Even I got my phone when I was in college. When I got into my college, then only I got my phone. So it's very important. If you don't have your phone right now, it's very good. It's very good, okay? The next thing that we have to talk about over here is stop using social media unnecessarily. Use it only for your classes or for anything if you want to read. And parents, please make sure that you have very good locks and you check the history of your children every day. What they are saying, monitor what your child is seeing. It's very, very important, because you also need to know what kind of content your child is consuming every day. Okay? So parents, you need to be very vigilant about that. आपका बच्चा क्या देख रहा है, कितनी देर तक देख रहा है, क्यों देख रहा है. Okay? And maybe your child will get agitated. They will also feel anxious कि क्यों मम्मी पापा इतना पूछ रहे. But you have to do it for your children. You have to do it for your children. Okay? The next thing that we have to keep in our mind is, everyone, that सेल्फ केयर सेल्फ लव में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ आती है बुक रीडिंग, जो मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया, और मेडिटेशन भी आता ही है. How you feeding your mind actually plays a very vital role. How you feed your mind actually plays a very vital role. So it's very important you are giving in positivity. Take out time to eat something positive every day. Stay away from negative. Stay away from negative. And inculcate yourself in some positive things. Apply all these things that have been told to you for next how many days? 13 days are left? I would say no. 12 days are left, right? You will see drastic changes in you. You will see drastic changes in your mental health, in your personality. I can guarantee you for that, but you have to follow everything that has been told to you. Okay? Told to you, आपको follow करते रहना है. And apart from that, it is very important that you are spending some time in nature every day. that if you have a garden in your home, you just go there and you just see the plants, you be with them without social media, okay, and you just see the plants, you just be around nature. Being around nature is very, very important. Don't go outside your home, but if you have a plant at your home, if you have some plants, if you have a small garden at your home, to spend some time there after your classes, okay. If you don't have plants, you can go to your terrace and you can spend some time gazing the sunset, seeing the sunrise, okay. You can see the sunset, you can see the sunrise, and it will help you a lot. Okay everyone, if you love planting trees, so do that. Take care of your plants. It makes you feel very positive. It makes you feel very, very positive. So these all things are to be done by you everyday people, because it is very, very important. I make sure that I give myself half an hour to 1 hour every day for book reading. I love to read books, and sometimes I see motivational videos also, okay. And I make time to do meditation. Before I go to bed, I do meditation, and in sometime during the day I do meditation. And one more thing that needs to be done every day, everybody, you have to start eating healthy. You don't have to eat those chips, you don't have to eat those kurkures and all this kind of stuff. It's not good for your body. Your body reacts very differently to that. You get acidity, your body doesn't react to that. So avoid all this kind of things and eat healthy. Eat healthy. Even I have my own coach who actually guides me on how to eat every day. What should I eat every day? What kind of nutrition I need to take every day? So that is very, very important, that you are taking care of yourself. You are eating only healthy things. These are some signs through which you can just inculcate those self-care habits in you. And some of you are asking me to read some suggestions for self-help books. I told you that day you can start it by seeing, or you can start the simple book, that is Good Vibes, Good Life. Good Vibes, Good Life is a book that is very easy to read. You will be able to read that, and it's very, very amazing. I recommend that book to all of you. Do read that book. It's very beautiful. If you can order it, it will come for like 150 or 200 rupees from Amazon or from Flipkart. You can order it from there, and it will be delivered to you within 1 or 2 days. And then you can start reading that book. It's very, very good. It's very, very good. Okay. No, my YouTube channel is by the name Pooja Gulati. Okay. It's not by the name Unleash Your Passion. It's by the name Pooja Gulati only. Right, everyone? So I hope all of you got to learn something new today. It was good enough, right? A lot of knowledge. A lot of knowledge has been shared with you, and everybody, those who haven't watched today's session from the very beginning, you can go back and see the live. I will be saving this, okay? No, my YouTube channel is by the name Pooja Gulati and not Unleash Your Passion, okay? Right? So let's move forward to today's mystery box. Sorry, today's secret box. Today's secret box is very amazing. Today's secret box is going to be very, very, very amazing, okay? आप पहले ये वाली बुक्स पढ़ो. By the end of 15 days, you will get to know more books also. Okay? You will get to know more books also. First, start reading these books. This book that I have told you. Okay, everyone? Okay. So today's secret box is going to be really good. Okay. So today your mystery box is that you have to write on a piece of paper. Like you have to take a piece of paper and you have to write, I love myself. Okay. You have to take a sheet of paper. You will have to take a sheet of paper and you have to take a sheet of paper, everyone, and on that sheet of paper you have to write that I love myself. You have to take a sheet of paper. Yes, I'm telling the secret box only, everyone. You have to take a sheet of paper. On that you have to write, I love myself. I love myself. Okay. And you have to decorate it and all such kind of things. Whatever you want to decorate it, you can decorate. One time you have to write. You have to write it one time. You have to decorate it. अब उसको बड़ा बड़ा लिखना है. Take it इतना सा sheet ले लेना. You can take a square sheet. You can take a square sheet and you have to write down I love myself. You can decorate it and you have to paste it somewhere. You have to paste it somewhere where you can see it again and again and again. For example, you can paste it on your mirror also. You can paste it on your mirror also. Okay, everyone? Because the more time you will see it, the more time you will repeat it, and the more time you will understand the meaning of self-love. The more time you will be telling that, okay, I love myself. Okay, this is the secret box for the day, that you have to take out a piece of paper. You have to take out a piece of paper. Okay, you have to take out a piece of paper. On that you have to write, I love myself. I love myself, and you have to decorate it with some, with some colors or with some flowers or something, and you have to paste it on your mirror or somewhere wherein you can see it every time. Okay, that will help you a lot, and you have to send me the picture of that before 8 p.m. today on my email ID. On my email ID, you have to share the picture with me on my email ID, that is poojagulati999@gmail.com, जिस पे आपने कल भेजा था. The name of the book is Good Vibes, GOODVIBES, Good Vibes, Good Life, GOODLIFE, Good Vibes, Good Life. Okay, so you can just go and you can buy that book, and as well as please forward the secret box का जो आपको मिला है. Secret box का जो आपको मिला है, that is, you have to take a sheet of paper. You have to write down that I love myself, and you have to send it to me, the picture, by 8 p.m. today. आज रात 8 बजे से पहले आपको मुझे वो फोटो भेजनी है मेरी ईमेल आईडी पे, जो कि है poojagulati999@gmail.com. ओके एवरीवन, मेक सेंस? समझ आया आप लोगों को? No, you cannot send me on WhatsApp. You have to send me on my mail ID, poojagulati999, not Pooja Gulati. poojagulati999, poojagulati999. No, you cannot send me on WhatsApp. You have to send me on my email ID only. Now, if anybody has any question, please ask the same. किसी का कोई question है? Anybody has any question? बुक का नाम है गुड वाइब गुड लाइफ. गुड वाइब गुड लाइफ. ओके, द बुक नेम इज गुड लाइफ गुड वाइब, गुड वाइब गुड लाइफ. ऑलराइट, ओके एवरीवन. एनी डाउट? मुझे आप लोग स्टार्टिंग में बोल रहे थे दैट यू आर हैविंग सम डाउट्स. काइंडली टेल मी इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स. एनीवन? एनीबडी हैज एनी डाउट? किसी का कोई डाउट है? एनी डाउट्स एनीवन? Any doubts? Anybody wants to ask a question? You can right now. We have next 5 minutes. So you can ask me any question if you have. Okay. Good Vibe, Good Life is a book that I'm telling all of you to purchase and start reading it. Okay. You don't have any question, anyone? No questions? No questions, everyone? I have told the secret box, and about the secret box, the poster will also be uploaded within 5-10 minutes after the session ends. So you can go and you can check out over there as well. Okay. Okay everyone, I hope there are no doubts, and I really hope that you have enjoyed the session for the day. Okay, and I really hope you enjoyed the session for the day. It was really amazing, and you have to make sure that you are applying every lesson that has been told to you regarding self-care and self-life. So you have to stay positive. You have to remain positive. You have to talk with yourself in a very positive way. You have to think about it in a very positive way. That is something that we have to do. And again, you have to take care of your body. You have to eat healthy. Okay. And everybody, if you haven't sent me your videos, kindly send me so that I can give you the feedback. And everybody, today I will give you a feedback to you by a mail, so please be active on that, okay? Because I cannot remember everybody's name and I cannot give any all the feedback. So I will send you a mail. I will reply to the mail of yours wherein you have sent the video, so that you are just knowing that where are you lacking, okay? Okay everyone. You have to check it, Poonam. I don't have any idea, but you can go and check it out. You all everyone, please take care, please stay safe and enjoy the rest of the sessions, because teachers are really amazing. And they are giving their level best to upgrade you. So learn Vedic Maths. The Vedic Maths session is at 11:30, and please respect your teachers. Be attentive and learn as much as you can and take the most out of the summer camp, okay? Big thanks to Raval Digital Month for organizing such an incredible summer camp, and to all of you for being such incredible students. And one more thing everyone, and please prepare yourself. There will be an online competition by the end of the summer camp. So you have to prepare yourself, you have to prepare the videos, you have to be very attentive. And that's why I'm telling you, please send me your videos if you haven't, so that I can check that where are you lacking, okay? Okay everyone, if you haven't forwarded my video, forwarded your video, please just go and you can just see. Please just अपनी वीडियोस ऐसे बनाओ. अगर आपको कुछ गलत लगता है उसको मुझे भेजो मेरी मेल आईडी पे ही. ठीक है एवरीवन, समझ आया सब लोगों को? आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड? बाय एवरीवन, टेक केयर.